Hello aspirants, always remember that no matter how much darkish the night is, but there is always a light at the end of the tunnel. No matter how much difficult the situation is right now, if we are having only 15 days in our hand, still we can achieve the height of the success. Still we can crack VIT EEE examination. Even if anyone come to you and tell you that you cannot crack this exam in such a short period of time, tell them that we will prove you wrong. We will show you that all the incredible and impossible things can be made possible if we put sincere efforts in this remaining days. Let's watch this video from beginning till the end so that we can get the complete idea how we can make this miracle happen. If you are new to our channel, do consider subscribing to our channel so that you do not miss out on any important update regarding VIT EEE 2025 exam. Now, how it is possible? So basically, this is the mantra that we are giving you. By following this, you can really do well in the VIT EEE examination. At least 9 to 10 hours of disciplined study is required on regular basis. So always remember that if you want to crack this exam, if you want to get into your dream college VIT Vellore, definitely you have to put those sincere efforts which are essential for cracking this examination. So daily 9 to 10 hours of serious and sincere study is essential. Along with this, focusing only on VIT EEE specific syllabus. So don't get distracted or disheartened by focusing elsewhere. Just focus on VIT syllabus and stick to it with proper discipline. Along with this, practice aptitude and English. As you know, physics, chemistry, maths you have been doing for quite long time. Along with this, aptitude and English is also required. There you can score really well. So also focus on this. Along with this, on alternative days, you should attempt one mock test. When you attempt mock test, when you write mock test, you will get the good idea about where you are standing and how much you need to do more progress so that you can do really well on the actual examination day. Plus, focus on increasing your speed. As you know, VIT EEE is all about speed and accuracy. 125 question you have to do within 2 or 30 minutes. So you really need to be good at speed. Now, as you have understood that this is the secret mantra, how we can actually implement it. So don't worry, don't feel lost at all, because here our 10Q challenge team is coming up with a really good resource that will help you to boost your preparation for VIT EEE examination. So here is our VIT EEE 2025 Crash Course final batch that is being launched right now, and that will actually help you to upgrade your preparation for this examination in this last remaining days. So don't get lost, don't feel disheartened. Definitely you can crack this examination if you have that sheer will and sheer strength inside you, and you have that firm belief that no one can stop you. Then definitely anything is possible and you can achieve each and everything. You can actually check out our VIT EEE 2025 Crash Course, the most relevant VIT EEE Crash Course ever. And the final batch has been announced. The most important aspect of this batch is that it is purely in English. So it is for the ease of understanding of everyone. Anyone, either from North India or from South India, can easily understand the English. So they will find it really easy to grasp all the concepts without any difficulty. So that is the most important aspect of this batch. This is valid till your examination. Along with this, all the subjects including physics, chemistry, maths, aptitude and English has been covered. Along with this, short tricks have also been taught. So this will be really a bonus point for you, which will help you in boosting your speed. Plus the mode of teaching already discussed that it would be in English. Complete course will be available instantly after your enrollment. The moment you enroll, you will get instant access to all the study resources and you can start your preparation immediately and actually start working towards your dream. So this is important. Now, what all things you are getting? Let's have a quick overview of all these things. Firstly, there would be video lectures. In the video lectures, you would be getting PCM unit-wise lectures. Along with this, there would be short trick lectures. Plus, you will also be getting aptitude and English lectures. So complete coverage of entire syllabus is provided to you, and these pre-recorded lectures will give you a sufficient understanding of all the concepts, give you a quick overview of all the concepts, and you will feel really confident. Along with this, you will also learn about solving the questions, VIT EEE level question, which will give you a sufficient practice for VIT EEE examination. But for this purpose, you have to actually put lot of efforts that would be required from your side. At least 6 to 7 hours of daily lectures related preparation you are supposed to do, and along with this you also have to work on question solving part. So you have to take care of all these things. Mode of teaching already discussed. Complete VITEEE syllabus has been covered. Here this is the list of all the units that is being provided to you, and you can actually find this PDF below in the description box. So you can take a look at that. Along with this, you are also getting access to exclusive question bank. Now this is the exclusive question bank which has been designed and prepared by our team of experts who also possess a good experience about guiding students for the VITEEE examination in past 3 years. So we have that kind of right experience, right guidance, and with the help of this question bank has been designed. Here you are getting all the unit wise questions, detailed solutions also included, plus it consists of hand-picked questions based on our previous year's enrolled student responses. Now this actually help us to maintain the standards of the questions in accordance with the VITEEE syllabus, in accordance with the trends of the VITEEE level questions that is being asked in over the past couple of years. So this is one of the most important aspect regarding the relevance of our VITEEE Crash Course. Along with this, you are also getting access to short notes. In short notes, you are getting summarized whole unit in just few pages. Also remember that if you are having just a couple of days remaining in front of your exam, what will you do? You won't start revising each and everything right from the scratch. You will just focus on and rely upon short notes so that you can quickly brush up your concepts and do actually well in the VITEEE examination. So you will get all these things, plus you are also getting access to mock test. So in mock test you are getting 10 full length computer based mock test. These are computer based tests. Level of difficulty is very close to, actually it resembles to actual examination, that is VITEEE. Plus post submission students responses and detailed solution will also be made available. So that will actually help you to analyze your performance. Now let's understand and take a quick look at the procedure for enrollment, so that how we can actually get enrolled in our VITEEE Crash Course. Here is our website 10qchallenge.in. Firstly, you have to visit this website. This entire procedure for enrollment will be provided to you in the description box. So just follow these steps and get yourself enrolled and start preparing for your VITEEE examination. And once you visit our website, go and get yourself registered. Then you will receive a verification mail on your registered email ID. When the verification is done, go to login and then under the courses, click on JEE, select the first course VITEEE 2025 Crash Course, add it to the cart, and then apply the discount coupon code. So yes, there is a catch. There is a special discount coupon code. You can find discount coupon code right below in the description box. And then finally, you can complete the transaction by clicking on Pay Now and selecting your desired mode of payment. And once you are successfully enrolled, then simply just you have to log in, and under My Courses section, you will be able to access all the VITEEE related study resources that will actually help you to boost your performance in this VITEEE 2025 examination. This is how our interface looks like. This is our website 10qchallenge.in. So don't wait, go fast and explore this, the most incredible VITEEE Crash Course that will help you to upskill yourself to move up to the next level and help you in cracking VITEEE 2025 exam and help you in achieving your dreams. I hope you have understood each and everything, and please note that there is an early bird discount coupon code. The discount coupon code that I was talking about, you are getting 1500 rupees off. But remember that this is valid only for first 30 students. So do not wait, just go and grab this opportunity. Go fast and enroll before the coupon code actually expires. If you have any query, just contact us on this number. I am repeating 8839737146. So this is our contact number. In case of any query, feel free to ask. I hope you have understood that what was the most essential study resource that will actually help you to boost your VITEEE preparation in these last few days. So don't at all feel lost. Don't feel disheartened. Definitely you can achieve success that you deserve. Let nobody tell you that you cannot achieve it. Show them that you can achieve it, and you will prove them wrong by achieving your success and getting into your dream college. And if you are really sincere and serious about this exam, then in the comment box to mention that VIT EEE 2025 तो आप crack करना ही है. And yes, let's do it. Let's do it together and go fast and get yourself enrolled in our VIT EEE 2025 crash course. All the details have been provided in the description box. See you in the upcoming videos. Jai Hind. Thank you. God bless you.